Maintain an upscale, professional look while sitting or standing with Uline's executive adjustable height desks. The enclosed design and high-end appearance is suitable for private offices. Electric motors allow you to adjust the desk height from 30 to 48 inches quickly and quietly. The telescoping Modesty panel provides privacy behind your desk in sitting and standing positions. The built-in pedestal files provide storage for paperwork and supplies. Executive adjustable height desks are available with a rectangular or bow front top. The bow front provides an additional 6 inches of desk space, making it easier to spread out paperwork for both you and your guests. The laminate desktop is 1 1/4 inch thick with beveled edges for a high-end professional appearance. Executive adjustable height desks are available in various sizes. To use, simply plug the power cord into a standard 120-volt outlet and push and hold the up or down button to manually adjust the desk height. Once at the desired height, press the setting button. Then press one of the preset buttons to save the height setting. The desk will then automatically raise or lower to the saved height when this preset button is pressed. The executive adjustable height desks coordinate with Uline's full downtown furniture collection. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.